Have you ever felt like rejection is the ultimate defeat? What if I told you that rejection is actually one of the most powerful tools for success? Throughout history, the greatest thinkers like Marcus Aurelius knew that rejection wasn't something to fear, but something to use to their advantage. Today, we're diving into 13 lessons on how to turn rejection into your biggest asset using Stoic principles and the art of reverse psychology. Let's get started. Lesson 1. Expect rejection, control your response. Marcus Aurelius believed that the only thing we truly control is our mind. Expect rejection, but instead of reacting emotionally, pause. The moment you don't give rejection power over you, it loses its sting. Lesson 2. Make rejection work for you. Reverse psychology in action. When someone says nitrogen monoxide to you, use it as a way to reframe their thinking. Say something like, "I totally get why you'd feel that way," then subtly plant a new perspective in their mind. Lesson 3. Embrace indifference. Rejection only hurts if you let it. Stoics practice indifferency, meaning they accept rejection as neither good nor bad. It just is. Try it. The next time someone turns you down, mentally shrug and move forward. Watch how powerful that makes you feel. Lesson 4. Challenge expectations. People reject you because they expect you to react in a certain way. Flip the script. If a client declines your offer, don't say, "That's totally fine. In fact, I think it might not be the right fit either." Suddenly, they're curious. Did they make the wrong choice? Lesson 5. Create the fear of loss. Scarcity increases desire. If someone rejects you, act like it's their loss. Reverse psychology at its finest. When people feel like they're missing out, they start reconsidering. Lesson 6. Accept rejection as proof. You're pushing boundaries. If you never face rejection, you're playing it safe. Every rejection is a sign that you're taking risks, and that's exactly where growth happens. Lesson 7. Use rejection as a tool to refine your approach. Rejection isn't failure, it's feedback. The Stoics teach us to observe rather than react. If something doesn't work, adjust and try again. Lesson 8. Make rejection your filter. Rejection reveals who and what is truly meant for you. If someone turns you down, take it as redirection toward a better path. Lesson 9. Don't seek approval, seek respect. People sense desperation. Instead of trying to be liked, focus on being respected. Ironically, when you stop chasing approval, you get more of it. Lesson 10. Make them think it was their idea. Want someone to come around to your perspective? Make them feel like the choice was theirs all along. Instead of saying, "You should do this," say, "I bet you've already thought about this." It flips resistance into openness. Lesson 11. Rejection builds mental toughness. The Stoics believed that struggle builds character. Every no you face is training your mind to be stronger, more resilient, and less dependent on external validation. Lesson 12. Master the art of detachment. One of the core Stoic teachings is detachment. If you rely on outcomes for happiness, rejection will crush you. Instead, focus on effort over results. If you gave your best, the outcome doesn't matter. Lesson 1. Flip rejection into opportunity. Every rejection opens a new door. Marcus Aurelius said, "The impediment to action advances action." What blocks you now forces you to find a new path, one that might be even better. Rejection is inevitable, but suffering from rejection is optional. When you learn to control your response, reframe rejection, and use it strategically, you unlock a level of power most people never reach. Which of these lessons resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more powerful strategies like this, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.